Hello there. Today we're going to learn what even is cryptocurrency. Alright, so cryptocurrency. So it's a form of digital cash. It is an online currency that can be sent to anyone without involving third parties in the transactions. This means there are no banks, credit card companies, or anyone else involved when you are sending your money. So it's basically kind of like peer-to-peer. You're just giving it to a friend, your friend gives it to you, or whoever you're giving it to. There's no middleman involved when it comes to fees, and if they are, it's really, really low. So send it anywhere, anytime, with low fees. All right, so here's some cryptocurrency. If that was real, that would be beautiful. All right, almost all cryptocurrencies are built on top of blockchain technology. We're going to learn about that in another video. So they share some key characteristics. All transaction records, once on the blockchain, are immutable. So immutable basically means you can't compromise it. You can't fake it. The record is there, and it's going to be there forever. So everyone can see when the transaction took place and from what place to what place, and that cannot be changed. Okay, so they're secure, transparent, and reliable, so everyone can see the transactions. So it's a really safe way. Definitely can bring down any type of fraud. Not all cryptocurrencies are designed to act purely as currencies. However, a large number of cryptos are created to support an ecosystem and be the currency or payment method for a business or platform. So here's a good example. So a good example of this is supply chain. There are a number of cryptocurrencies projects that are focused on improving the supply chain process using blockchain technology. These projects have a cryptocurrency that companies use to make supply chains more efficient. Right, so records are kept on the blockchain, making it more efficient and easier to track where a product has come from farm to fork in the case of food. So what it does is, remember, money, when you're transferring money to someone else, there's a record, and it's a transparent record, and it keeps that record. And the blockchain, there can't be, when you think about blockchain, you think about a chain, and there's different links. And that link, it can't be broken, because if it gets broken, there is no more chain. So the blockchain, it's always connected. So you can't lose, record of those logistics or the whole process. The whole process from beginning to end is on record. And it's just much more secure than the technology we have today. All right. There are plenty of other examples too that are projects focused on gaming, finance, business, luxury goods, and much more. Hopefully this was vetted. This is vetted. I have no idea. Why would you use a vetted? This has got you enticed or excited for crypto. If you're almost ready to take the plunge, you'll need to find a place to buy, and most importantly, what to invest. All right, so we're going to do it in other videos. We're going to teach you about Newton, Binance, Kucoin, how to purchase Bitcoin. I'll have that in different videos. Definitely check them out. But yeah, so pretty much what is cryptocurrency? It's a digital form of cash, and it's also a method to keep transactional records that can be used in all kinds of different industries. All right, there you have it. That's today's lesson about what is cryptocurrency.